Nest cams sometimes fail to reconnect after a power outage due to a few key reasons. These include the camera's difficulty reestablishing a Wi Fi connection if the router isn't fully back online. Outdated camera firmware can prevent automatic reconnection. IP address conflicts on your network may also cause issues. The camera's internal clock can become desynchronized during the outage. Older models are particularly susceptible to these problems. Recent Google updates have improved reconnection rates, but issues still occur, especially with unstable internet or older devices. Before troubleshooting the camera, ensure your Wi-Fi router is fully functional and has internet access. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Wait for it to fully reboot. Verify that other devices can connect to the Wi-Fi network. A stable and functioning internet connection is crucial for the Nest Cam to reconnect successfully. Outdated firmware can prevent your Nest Cam from automatically reconnecting after a power outage. First, open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Then, check for any available firmware updates specifically for your Nest Cam. Also, make sure your Google Home app itself is updated to the latest version from your App Store. Google releases regular updates with improved reconnection protocols. Keeping your devices current is essential for reliable performance. As of late 2025, versions 2.75 and higher of the Nest app, along with device firmware 5.8.4, incorporate AI-driven auto reconnection features. A simple restart can often resolve reconnection issues. Unplug the Nest Cam from its power source for about a minute. Then plug it back in. Allow a few minutes for the camera to power on and attempt to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. This process forces the camera to reestablish its connection to the network. If restarting your Nest Cam doesn't resolve the reconnection issue, you may need to perform a factory reset as a last resort. This process erases all settings and returns the camera to its original factory state, allowing you to start fresh. Before proceeding, note that the factory reset procedure can vary slightly depending on your specific Nest Cam model, such as the indoor, outdoor, or IQ versions. It's crucial to consult Google's official support documentation or the Google Home app for instructions tailored to your exact camera model. To perform the factory reset, first locate the physical reset button on your Nest Cam, usually found on the back or bottom of the device. Press and hold this button continuously for 10 to 15 seconds. You'll know it's working when you see the indicator lights begin to flash or you hear an audible confirmation tone. The camera will then automatically restart itself. Once the factory reset is complete and the camera has restarted, you'll need to set it up again as if it were brand new. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone and follow the setup wizard. This will guide you through reconnecting the camera to your Wi-Fi network and restoring all your preferred settings and configurations. Wi-Fi signal strength can significantly impact reconnection success. Move the Nest Cam closer to your Wi-Fi router to ensure a strong and stable signal. Obstacles like walls and appliances can interfere with Wi-Fi signals, so minimize these obstructions. Ideally, position the camera within 30 feet of the router for optimal performance. Consider using a Wi-Fi extender if moving the camera isn't feasible. An IP address conflict occurs when two devices on the same network are assigned the same IP address. This can prevent your Nest Cam from reconnecting properly after a power outage. First, access your router's settings using a web browser. Typically, you'll enter your router's IP address, like 192.168.1.1, into the browser's address bar. Next, check the DHCP client list in your router's settings. This list shows all connected devices and their assigned IP addresses. Make sure your Nest Cam appears with its own unique IP address. Finally, consider assigning a static IP address to your Nest Cam in the router settings. This reserves the IP address specifically for the camera, preventing conflicts and ensuring it always reconnects with the same address. If the previous steps haven't resolved your Nest Cam reconnection issue, more advanced troubleshooting may be required. First, contact Google Nest support for assistance. They can provide tailored solutions based on your specific setup and camera model. Consider checking the Google Nest community forums for solutions shared by other users who have faced similar problems. In some cases, hardware defects may be the cause. Google may offer replacements under warranty for defective units. Nest Aware subscriptions offer enhanced diagnostics for remote troubleshooting, which can help identify and fix issues quickly. By following these advanced troubleshooting steps and seeking appropriate support, you can get your Nest Cam back online and ensure reliable operation.